How to send multiple emails at once in Gmail. So to start, we'll have to open our Gmail account. And then in here, if you want to send multiple emails, all you need to do is to tap on this box here and then select the emails that you want to send. Once you're done, go on top and then in here, tap on these three dots. And then after that, tap on this forward as attachment. And then in here, you can now compose your email. So first, we'll have to add the account where we want to send the email. And then in here, you can also add a subject line. So as an example, I'm just gonna type here, emails for today. And then you can also add a message before you send the emails. So once you're done adding the message, you can simply tap on the send option. So that's how easy we can send multiple emails at once in Gmail. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!